Deputy Commissioner ka East Gentle District Shivan Chawasti IS ulethu bakat kom balapatha da ka yeng bisha Meghalaya High Court ka kenhun ka bahapo ka jingpe jong SDO Sardar ka East Gentle District Manish Kumar IS kala let ban pendo pendam no ya ki Kharkhana Coke ki ba don hapo ka district ki bala persyang ban pynieng bat pentre beaiñ ha kene ka jinglet jong ka kenhun le don lang ru environmental engineer Nakatanat Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board uba YF lalu ki he sarkar na po ka district lembat ke kenhun nakatanat pulen. Ka jing pendo pendam ye ki Kharkhana Coke kalong da ka bapenan kam da ki tiar penbethai ne explosive. Deputy Commissioner ulo ong shuh ba kila dan hado kan reuteli ki coke plants ha East Gentle District ki bla pynieng beaiñ khlem patla pan penbyang ye ki kendon kumbla batha da sarkar santali ne kini ki Kharkhana beaiñ la dep ban penpra na do ki por blalen bat ye kini ki khatwei teli ki badang sa pan la dep pha shiti ne notice she ki try na do ubanai risau arjal psan bat la batha ru ye ki try bakin wan penpoi ye ki kai phan la ki la dep yo jingbet ne em ban pentre henry shim la yo jubab e ne ki try kumta ki board district ki la shim ya ka sinjam kumbala batha da ka yeng bishan jong ka Meghalaya High Court akaba nado ka khalai direk mentau banai no pra ka kenhun kala stang ya ka kam ban let pen pra bat pendo pendam no ye ki khatwei teli ki Kharkhana Coke henry ka kenhun ka yo ban pendo pendam tang ya ki nyau teli ki Kharkhana Coke kat bai ki sau teli ki Kharkhana Coke pan la dep ban pendo pendam hi de ki try haswa ba ka kenhun kan wan nakaliang ushivan chawasti ula pentikna ba ki te ki khatwei teli ki Kharkhana Coke ki bayeng beaiñ hapo ka district menta ki khlem trekam shuh ba la pendo pendam ki
Đây cái đó tiền này hết hốc xuyên xuyên gặp đường
So as per the directions of Honorable High Court of Meghalaya, joint team under the supervision of SDO Manish Kumar, members from Pollution Control Board and Police Department were given directions to undertake the demolition of all unauthorized coke plants in the district. So in total there were 16 coke plants that were identified who have set up coke plants in the district, but they have not taken necessary authorization as per the norms and criteria as laid down by the government notification. Out of these 16 coke plants, 5 have been demolished earlier. The remaining 11, we had issued a notice to them in the month of October to submit a compliance whether they have obtained the necessary permissions for regularization, and since no reply was received from these coke plants, hence as per the directions of Honorable High Court of Meghalaya, the direction was given to these teams to undertake the demolition of these 11 unauthorized coke plants in East Gentle Hills district. So these teams started their work from Saturday onwards, and as on date they have undertaken the demolition of 7 out of 11 coke plants, and for the remaining 4 coke plants, when they visited their site, they observed that they have already been demolished by the respective owners. So in total all 11 coke plants that were unauthorized are now not in operation.